Hello, welcome to my channel Naukri Law and I am Devashish Kumar, and in this video I am going to tell you about the TCS health insurance policy. So let's start this video. So this video is not only basically for any TCS employee, this is also for those candidate who want to join TCS. Okay, in future if you want to join TCS or if you are working in TCS, then this video is very important. So first of all, the TCS health insurance policy is provided by the All India New Assurance Co Limited. Okay, the New India Assurance Co Limited, and this is a good company, or you get a lot of facilities. So first of all, what you have to do, if you are a TCS employee, then you have to go to the Ultimatics. Okay, in Ultimatics you have to go to the Employee Services. In Employee Services, there's a health section. In the health section, there you will find a TCS health insurance. Click on that and you will get an interface like this. So because of the security reasons, I cannot show you the Ultimatics TCS website, but I can show you the Medibuddy apps. Okay, so when you will go to the employee services and click on the health insurance thing, so you will land on this page. So this is the Medibuddy TCS official page. Okay, so first of all, you have to learn about your policy, what policy you hold, and what is the insurance amount that you hold. For this, you have to come to this policy, and there you will find a policy detail. As you can see, click on the policy details. Okay, so in policy details you will land on this page. There you can see that the plan is gold. Okay, and the policy period is also written here, and the policy number is also written here. I cannot show you the policy number and policy period and all those things, but you can see the insurer, that is the All India, the New India Assurance Co Limited, and the policy holder is the TCS itself, and the Media Assist ID, you will get the Media Assist ID. So these two IDs are very important, the policy number and the Media Assist ID. So you can see that the family floater sum is the 12 lakh rupees, and the sum balance you will see it here, and you will also get to see your employee ID and all the details that is important for you. And when you will scroll down here, so when you will scroll down here, you will also see the name, your name should be here, and the relationship, and here the amount for the hospitalization. Okay, so in this case, the hospitalization bill is the limit is around 2 lakh, and the domiciliary is around 6,000. So this is very important, 6,000 rupees and 2 lakh rupees. First of all, I will explain this thing. Suppose you got any disease, illness, or accident. Okay, so in this case you will get this insurance, health insurance, okay, of the 2 lakhs rupees. uh, Up to 2 lakh rupees the amount will be paid by the TCS. And how we will do these things? First of all, there are two features. The first one is the cashless, and the second thing is the reimbursement. So there are a list of hospitals, those are under cashless facilities in the TCS. Okay, so when you will go to the hospital, suppose for example, let me tell you an example. Suppose you got a disease, a small disease. Okay, I hope you will not get, but suppose in future, if you got a disease or you got an accident. Okay, so first of all, search for the nearest cashless hospital. The TCS health insurance provide you insurance in two ways. First is the cashless, and second thing is reimbursement. Cashless is the facility where you will go to the hospital and all the bills will be bear by the TCS. You will not need to pay any of the money in that hospital. Okay, so this is only possible for the cashless facility hospital. and there is a list. You can also get the list from this website also. And the second thing is reimbursement. Suppose you go to the hospital, any hospital, the cashless one or the non-cashless one, and you collect each and every bill and each and every document. Then you have to claim those bills and document. I will also show you how you will claim those document. And so you will get the reimbursement in your bank account, where you get the salary in your account. Okay, so the next thing is domiciliary. The domiciliary is the, actually it is the 6,000 rupees bonus type of things that you will get. So what you suppose you need a medicine or any medical devices, so you have to go to this pharmacy and you will just order that, or you can order those things. Okay, so you can order bills, medicines for 6,000 rupees, or not only medicines also. Suppose you need a blood pressure check machine, pressure checking machine, or you need a thermometer, or you need to drink Horlicks and all those things. You can also order those type of things as from these TCS MediBuddy apps. There is a facility. Okay, so let me show you the interface. What are the features in this website TCS have? Okay, so the first of all, you got the policy details, and you will get the details of the policy that you hold. So there is a e-card. Click on the e-card. You will get the e-card. You will get the card. You have to print this e-card with yourself, and you have to keep this e-card for the cashless facilities or any reimbursement or any claim. Okay, so you print this out. Suppose you go to the hospital for the cashless facility. Cashless means you don't pay anything in the hospital, but you get all the facilities in free. Okay, so for those things, you have to print this e-card in any A4 size pages. You can print out, and you go to the hospital, you show them this e-card, and they will provide you everything. Okay, so policy is done. Now the claims, claim tracker. In claim tracker, you can track the claim. Suppose you have claimed for something, anything, you have claimed for reimbursement or any domiciliary thing, you can claim your you can track your claim, sorry. And now the hospital reimbursement. So hospital reimbursement, in this one, suppose what I have told you about the hospitalization. Suppose once I had the stone in kidneys, and I got go to the hospital, I got every bill. So what I have done, I have reimbursed the amount. Okay, it was around 1 lakh rupees amount. Okay, so I have gone to this hospitalization reimbursement, and I have reimbursed the whole amount. So there is a catch. Okay, what is a catch? When you, there are two type of hospital. The first one is the cashless, and second one is the is non-cashless. In suppose in the cashless hospital, when you go and you are in what we say, you are not going for cashless facility. Suppose in cashless hospital, you go and you got your treatment, you paid all the bills, and you got all the bill amount with yourself, and you are looking for the reimbursement. So in the cashless list of hospital, if you are reimbursing those amounts, so you will get the 90% of the amount. Okay, so this is a catch, but the 90% is also a good amount. That is not an issue. Now the domi reimbursement, domiciliary, that I have showed you, that the 6,000 rupees, that is the domiciliary, and this one is the cashless pre-intimation. Suppose you are going to any cashless hospital. Okay, so you have to tell the MediBuddy person, the customer care, or you have to pre-intimate this one. Here you have to click and you have to apply that 74 before 72 hours that I will go to the hospital, and I will admit to the hospital. So this thing, the cashless pre-intimation, is should be done before 72 hours of you got admitted in any hospital. Only then only you will get the cashless facility. Okay, and there are the reimbursement pre-intimation, this is also the same, and the COVID vaccination. And now the hospitals. Okay, so as I've told that for the cashless facility you have to go to the cashless hospital. So in the hospital section you will get the network hospital. You can search for the network hospitals. When you go to the network hospital you can avail for the cashless facilities. So there's the COVID hospital list, there's the network hospital list, and there's the blacklisted hospital list also. So first of all you have to check that the hospital is blacklisted or not. Okay, so suppose you go to the blacklisted hospital and you got your treatment, you will not get the amount reimbursed from the TCS. So first of all you have to check the blacklisted hospital also. There's the wellness. Wellness is for the regular checkup for your anything. Okay, there's the pharmacy. Pharmacy is important. What I have showed you, the 6,000 rupees domiciliary. So for the domiciliary you can purchase any medicine, any medical devices, or anything you want to have from any medical shop. So in the pharmacy you can purchase all those things. Now the OPD cashless is the OPD is the direct to the doctor talk. You can talk to the doctor directly from your home. Suppose you have got a fever or illness or anything slightly, just the minor things, you can talk to the doctor about these things from this OPD. Talk to the doctor, consultation, lab test, and all the dental things. And there's the repository. So in the repository you will get the health insurance claim documents that you have to submit, the list of documents and all those things. And so, and the last, there is a your profile. You can check your profile. So this is the health insurance medibuddy apps facilities and the interface. Now you got to know the features, that there are the two type of features for the health insurance, that is the cashless and the reimbursement. Okay, now you got to know the, you now know the website interface. And yeah, mm, customer care number, that is one of the most important things. Suppose you are a TCS employee and you want to know a lot of things about this thing, you can also comment in this video. Again, I will reply you if that is a small query. And if you have a long query, you can go uh, and call the customer care. I will give you the customer care number. You just yeah, here. So this is the customer care number, 18002081033. Okay, this is the customer care number. You can call these folks anytime. They will help you 24/7. And this is a very good facility provided by the TCS. Okay, and for any queries you can also, for the cashless queries you can also mail to this. And you can also, the first level uh, mail support, you can mail this person, this mail ID. Okay, so you have any issues with this thing, you can mail this person. This is the customer care number. I will advise you to call to the customer care services only. That is much more convenient for you all. So this is how you will use the medibuddy in your laptop using the ultimatics. Okay, but you will also need a convenient way by using it in your phone. Okay, so how will you use the medibuddy apps in your phone? So I will show you in the next video that how will you log in the medibuddy apps in from your phone. Okay, and so I have told you that there is a 6,000 rupees domiciliary amount. So you will be excited, you are curious to know about that, how will you go and use that 6,000 rupees free and all those things. For you. Okay, so I will make a separate video for you to use that 6,000 rupees free gift for you. You will get the 6,000 rupees Horlicks and all those things from the TCS free of cost. Okay, so links are in the description. You can find the link in the description that how we will you use that 6,000 rupees amount for your extra gifts and all those things. And yeah, one more thing, that using the medibuddy apps in the laptop is a bit of hectic, and this is not so easy. Okay, so you will need a convenient way, that how will you use the cashless medibuddy in your phone. So I will give you a link of the next video, that how will you use the cashless medibuddy in your phone and use those things very conveniently. So this video is a part of videos I have started a playlist about the facilities that is the TCS providing. Okay, so this is also a part of that playlist, that what TCS is providing you, the facilities and the what we say, the gift that TCS is providing to you. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel to know about the things that TCS is providing you as a compliment for you, only for you. So subscribe to this channel, press that bell icon to know more about TCS facilities and all those things, and like this video if this video helped you too. And there's a comment section, you can comment your queries. I will give a try to reply every of your comment. Thank you.